We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox eSignature effectively so you can sign documents online with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the Apps menu on the left side of the page and select eSignature. You'll be taken to the Dropbox Sign interface. Now, to send a document for signature, click on the Send for Signature button. You'll see an option to upload the document you need signed. Click on Upload and select the file from your computer. Once your document is uploaded, you'll need to add the signers. You can enter their names and email addresses directly into the fields provided. If you need to add multiple signers, you can easily do so by clicking Add another signer. After you've added all the necessary signers, you can proceed to place signature fields on the document. Click on Prepare Document, and you'll enter a mode where you can drag and drop signature fields onto the document. Make sure you place them in the correct spots for each signer. Once you're satisfied with the placement, click Continue to review the document. You'll have the option to add a personal message for the recipients. This can be helpful for providing context or instructions. When you're ready, click Send for Signature, and the document will be emailed to the signers. They'll receive a notification to review and sign the document digitally. You'll be notified as each signer completes their part. You can track the progress in the Documents section of Dropbox Sign. If any issues arise, you can resend the document or send reminders directly from this interface. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.